Okay, so we have to find out the money value for that 5%. 20,000 into 5% means 5 by 100. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 5 2s are 10. This 2 0 is to be added here. So 1,000 rupees decreased. Asset value decreases. It is to be credited. So furniture account is to be credited 1,000 rupees. Which account is to be debited? For revaluation account is to be debited. Revaluation account at 1,000 rupees to furniture account 1,000 rupees. In this transaction, where is revaluation account appears? Revaluation account appears on debtor side. So you go to debtor side of the revaluation account, okay, and write the opposite account. What is the opposite account from the revaluation account? Furniture account. So on debtor side of the revaluation account, you are going to enter to furniture account 1,000 rupees. Got it? Let's say the next